Hello friends, today we are doing basic projects based on Firebird 5. So what is Firebird 5? Firebird 5 is a robotic research platform developed by IIT Mumbai, Yantra ERTS lab with Next Robotics. It is developed under a project by MHRD, Ministry of Human Resources and Development. So let us look about some of the basic components of the Firebird 5. Now we look at Firebird 5. It is a comprehensive bot. It has different components so that it can be used for various projects. You can also see that there are places to interface this robot with some other tools like we will see afterwards. So these are the screws that can be used to mount some other tools on this robot. So this Firebird robot has 6 important modules: a power management module, a sensing module, modules for locomotion, peripheral modules, communication modules, and intelligence modules. The intelligence modules are basically the microcontrollers on this Firebird. So we have two microcontrollers. One is Atmega 2560 and another is Atmega 8. So if we see some of the connections and some of the components, let's look at what is in the lower part of this robot. This is a caster wheel. Since our robot does not need a separate steering mechanism, we can only move this robot by opposite locomotion of the tires. So we are using a caster wheel. Here there are 3 white line sensors, these 2 DC geared motors, a nickel manganese battery pack. If you see properly, here inside you have a black small position encoder module. So this is basically a position encoder module. This upper board which is mounted is Atmega 8. Sorry, this is Atmega 2560. The upper adapter board. So Atmega 2560 is mounted on Atmega 8. Atmega 2560 acts as a master and Atmega 8 acts as a slave. So this is somewhat an advanced topic, but this is how it works. Some more basics about various components of this bots can be seen on Yantra ERTS channel, or you can refer the robot manuals of Firebird 5. You can easily come to know each and every component. There are various components. For example, this is an IC that is used for controlling battery. This IC. Here we have connections for these 2 connections. These 2 connections are for servo motors, and this is and for other interfacing. This is reset switch. This is boot switch. Here we have an LCD panel, a small LCD panel. If you see closely over here we have a Zigbee interfacing socket. If we remove this, we have a Zigbee interfacing socket. We can interface Zigbee, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi in this slot. So we have various interfacing methods. In the front we have a sharp sensor, and we have infrared sensors in every corner, like here. For communication of the bot using ISP, we can communicate by this socket for ISP, the black socket over here, and we also have serial communication via RS-232, this slot, and using UART cable here. These 2 slots are used during battery operations. For detailed instruction about how to use battery supply and auxiliary power, so there are 2 power modes for Firebird. One is auxiliary power and other is battery power. When your robot is working on battery power, you should never keep it connected to the AC supply. And if you are using AC supply, never put it in the battery supply. So here this one is auxiliary power and this one is battery power. Battery power is used only when you are using it on battery or during charging. So when you are charging the Firebird, put the socket over here, and when you are using Firebird directly using AC mains power by using an adapter, then use this auxiliary power button. Here is the on off switch in this corner, so it can be used to turn on the Firebird like this. So this is how a Firebird will look when it is on. There are various LED indicators have a look of them in the robot manuals.